Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best hand and foot cream is probably one of the most essential items in any personal care arsenal, especially for those who want to maintain soft, smooth, and healthy-looking skin on their extremities. Whether you're battling dry, cracked heels from a long day on your feet or dealing with rough, chapped hands from constant exposure to the elements and frequent washing, a high-quality hand and foot cream can provide the much-needed hydration and nourishment to restore comfort and appearance. These specialized creams are formulated with potent ingredients designed to penetrate deeply, soothe irritation, and protect the skin's natural barrier, ensuring your hands and feet feel as good as they look, making them a crucial part of a comprehensive skincare routine. Number 5. Brooklyn Botany Brown Sugar Body Scrub. Discover the secret to radiant skin with our all-natural brown sugar scrub. It gently exfoliates and deeply moisturizes for a healthy, luminous complexion. Experience the dual power of exfoliation and hydration. This scrub buffs away dead skin cells while infusing your skin with essential moisture. Turn back time with our potent formula. It effectively combats fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful. Say goodbye to blemishes. This scrub helps fight acne, promoting clearer, healthier-looking skin with regular use. Suitable for all skin types and concerns, it's the ideal addition to any skincare routine. Give the gift of beautiful skin to yourself or a loved one. Indulge in a luxurious spa-like experience at home. Its rich formula nourishes your skin from head to toe, leaving it feeling incredibly soft and revitalized. What we like. This scrub uses a brown sugar base for a gentle yet effective exfoliation. It's designed to moisturize while tackling concerns like acne. If you're looking for a multi-purpose scrub that leaves your skin feeling soft and looking clearer, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is very effective in making hands and feet soft and smooth. It has a pleasant fragrance that lasts for a long time. The packaging is convenient and easy to use. Number 4. Brooklyn Botany Himalayan Salt Body Scrub. Discover the luxurious feel of our Himalayan Salt Body Scrub. It's designed to gently exfoliate and deeply moisturize your skin. This powerful scrub works to combat the appearance of stretch marks, fine lines, and wrinkles. Achieve a visibly smoother and more radiant complexion. Perfect for your body, face, hands, and feet, it provides comprehensive skin rejuvenation. Enjoy soft, supple skin all over. Looking for a thoughtful present? This scrub makes a wonderful gift for both women and men. It's a treat they're sure to love. Crafted with natural Himalayan salt, it offers an effective yet gentle way to care for your skin. Experience the difference of premium ingredients. Our 10-ounce jar ensures you have plenty to enjoy. Use it regularly to maintain your skin's health and beauty. What we like. Featuring a Himalayan salt base, this scrub offers a powerful exfoliating experience. It's formulated to help combat stretch marks and deeply cleanse your skin. If you desire smoother skin and are targeting stretch marks, this product will be your go-to. What people say. This product is amazing. It makes my hands and feet so soft and smooth. I love how this product smells. It's a light and pleasant fragrance. The packaging is also very nice. It comes in a beautiful jar that would make a great gift. Number 3. Samply 2L Hot Water Bottle with Knitted Cover. Introducing the Samply 2L Hot Water Bottle. It's designed for your comfort and relief. This bottle features a soft, knitted cover that feels great against your skin. It provides gentle warmth or cooling. Use it for soothing hot compress or a refreshing cold compress. It's perfect for a variety of needs. Find relief for cramps, neck, shoulder, hand, and foot discomfort. It's your go-to for targeted pain relief. This is a reusable solution for your comfort needs. Enjoy its benefits again and again. The elegant gray color and knitted texture make it a stylish addition to your home. It's both functional and fashionable. What we like. This versatile item can be used for both hot and cold therapy, thanks to its soft knitted cover. It's perfect for soothing cramps in various body parts. If you frequently experience muscle aches or cramps and need a comforting solution, this is ideal for you. What people say. This is a great product that really works to improve the appearance of hands and feet. The design is sleek and modern, and it's easy to use. It has a variety of features that make it a versatile tool for personal care. Number 2. Urea Cream 20% with salicylic acid. Introducing our maximum strength cream, formulated for your feet and hands. It's designed to tackle rough skin and provide deep moisturization. Infused with hyaluronic acid, tea tree, and aloe vera, this cream deeply moisturizes. It works to soften rough skin on heels, hands, and knees. Featuring a powerful blend of 20% urea and 2% salicylic acid, it effectively softens calluses. Experience smoother skin with regular use. Make it a part of your daily routine for optimal foot care. It's perfect for maintaining soft, healthy-looking skin all over. This nourishing formula not only moisturizes but also helps to soothe and rejuvenate your skin. Enjoy a comfortable and refreshed feeling. Get long-lasting relief with our generous 150g size. It ensures you have enough product for continuous care and visible results. What we like. With a potent 20% urea concentration and salicylic acid, this cream is designed for maximum strength. It deeply moisturizes and softens rough skin, incorporating beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid and tea tree oil. If you have severely dry, rough, or cracked skin on your feet, hands, or knees and need intense hydration, this is the solution. What people say. This product is a game changer for dry, cracked heels. It moisturizes deeply and leaves my feet feeling incredibly soft. I love the subtle scent of this hand cream. It's not overpowering, and it absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The packaging is elegant and functional. The pump dispenser makes it easy to get the right amount of product every time. Number 1. Miracle Foot and Hand Repair Cream. Say goodbye to dry, cracked feet. Our intensive formula deeply moisturizes and heals for smooth, comfortable soles. Don't forget your hands. This cream is also perfect for soothing and repairing dry, cracked hands, leaving them soft and supple. Infused with 60% ultra aloe, it harnesses the natural healing power of aloe vera to restore your skin's health. Enjoy the benefits without the greasy residue. Its light, fresh scent makes application a pleasure. Choose the perfect size for your needs. Both the 8 ounces and 1 ounce options are available to keep your skin nourished. Experience the dual action of this repair cream. It's your go-to solution for both foot and hand rejuvenation. What we like. This repair cream boasts an ultra aloe formula, focusing on healing dry and cracked skin effectively. It provides deep moisturization without leaving a greasy residue. If you're seeking a lotion that heals and hydrates your hands and feet while feeling light and fresh, this product is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great product for softening and smoothing the skin on hands and feet. It has a pleasant scent and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. I noticed a significant improvement in the texture of my skin after just a few uses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.